Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be using our Ninja Creami Deluxe to make protein coconut cream ice cream with no refined sugar. So you ready? Let's get into this. For this recipe we're going to need some coconut milk, some Enlightened sugarless ice cream cones, egg yolks, some vanilla whey protein, a little monk fruit sweetener, some vanilla extract and rum extract, and some dry shaved coconut. If you'd like to make this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. So we're going to take a medium mixing bowl, and we're going to throw in our egg yolks. We're going to want to beat these until they turn nice and smooth and go from this darker kind of orange color to a lighter yellow color. That process should take about a minute or so. Alright, once you got looking about like this, then we can add in our monk fruit sweetener, like so. And we're going to stir that in until it gets combined really well, and we don't see any little granule bits of the monk fruit in here anymore. Once you got that combined and it's looking a little bit like that, we can add in our coconut milk. You want to mix that in and get it combined as well as you can. You're not going to be able to dissolve all of the monk fruit sweetener in here. That's okay, it's going to dissolve a lot more on the stove. Just do the best that you can and give it about a minute or so. Once you got that done, we'll be ready to heat this up. So we're going to put our stove on medium heat, and we're going to add in our mix. For this part, it's going to be a pretty good idea to have a digital thermometer. So what we're going to do is we're going to heat this up to about 165 degrees to temper the eggs. You're going to want to stir this once in a while because you don't want any of the ice cream to stick to the bottom of your pan. Once this reaches about 110 degrees, then we're going to add in our whey protein and our extracts. Alright, looks like we're just about ready. So let's mix in our whey protein. You're going to want to put this in just a little bit at a time and mix it in because we want to minimize the amount of clumping that we get with this. So just put a little bit in, mix it in like that so you don't see any clumps anymore. A little bit more, do the same, and so on and so forth. Once you've got that in there, we'll add in our vanilla extract and our rum extract and stir those in as well. Now all we have to do is finish heating this up. Okay, looks like this is just about ready, so let's take this off the heat. Once that cools down, all we gotta do is take our creamy pint and pour in our mix, being sure that we don't fill it past the scoopable max fill line. Just like that. Now all we gotta do is throw on the lid, and we're gonna throw this in the freezer for 24 hours.
2,000 years later.
After it's been about 24 hours, we can remove our ice cream from the freezer. And we'll let it sit out and thaw for about 15 minutes or so. Once that time is up, we'll be ready to process our ice cream. So we'll turn on our Ninja Creami Deluxe, add our pint to the pitcher, throw on the lid and snap it into place. Throw that in your cream and lock it in. And we're just going to be processing the top half, I think. So I'm going to hit the top button. And we're going to set this to light ice cream and start it up. Okay, let's see how that turned out. Ooh, and that is looking really great. Now all we got to do to finish this up is to add in our coconut. So we'll just throw that right into the top. Close this thing back up again, put it back on the machine and lock it in, set it back to top again, back to light ice cream, and we're just going to hit the mix in button. I don't know if you need to do all this other stuff for the mix ins, but I always do it anyway, just a creature of habit, I guess. Okay, and that should be all she wrote, but let's see. Well, that looks perfect. What do you say we serve this out? By the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Man, if you love coconuts, you are gonna love this ice cream recipe. Not only does it taste fantastic, but it's not bad for you at all. Once you start having ice cream like this, you'll probably never want to go back. If you'd like a little bit more information about the Ninja Creami Deluxe that we used in this video, we do have an Amazon affiliate link to it down in the description of the video. If you find anything through those links, we do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay 1 cent. If you liked this video, then you might like this video right here where we show you how to make no sugar pistachio ice cream. That one's actually my favorite, and I think it just might be your favorite too. Well, that's it for now. I hope to see you back again here really soon. And until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.